welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to switch from Mailchimp to Flodesk. All right. So basically, to switch from a marketing automation or email marketing platform, we would just need to transfer the contacts or subscribers. Okay. So in here under Mailchimp, all we have to do is just go ahead over to audience. Okay. Now in here, just select all of your subscribers or audience. And once done, go to the right-hand side and click on Export Audience, okay? It says here, I'm about to export all of my contacts. So I'm just going to hit on Export or Confirm Export. Now it says here, Export started. We're just going to email this email that your export has been done and ready for download. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up my Gmail. Right here, as you can see, I've got this email. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Download List Data. Click. And a download page should pop up right here. I'm going to save this one, maybe on desktop. I'm just going to rename this as From Mailchimp. Okay, save. And once that's done, I'm just going to close this Gmail. Then I'm going to go ahead over to Flodesk. Okay, here. So in Flodesk, just go ahead over to the top and again, click on Audience. Click. All you have to do is just upload the downloaded CSV file. Okay, so to do that, click on this button, Add Subscriber, and then just click on Upload CSV. Okay, click on this box. Now go to the bottom right, hit All Files, then here from Mailchimp, right click, Extract here. There you go. Click on it, hit on Open. Here you have the data. All right. Just review everything. Going back to the top right here. Here's the CSV data sample. Now in the Flodesk data field, it's going to read it as this one, email. Ryan Christian should be the first name. So let's just go ahead and click on this drop down. Click on first name, last name. Okay. And once that's done, just hit on continue. Now you can go ahead and select a segment for your subscriber. If you want to create one, click on create new segment, maybe from Mailchimp. Okay. Choose the color, save, continue, wait for it. As you can see here, it's analyzing, removing duplicates, uploading subscribers, and it now says your list is now being processed. Says here, we'll email you when it's ready. Just hit on finish. Now wait for an email. As you can see here from Flodesk, it says 4 emails successfully imported. You can go ahead and click on this one, see them in your audience. And here under segments from Mailchimp, you can go ahead and click on view. And there you have it. Now that you have your audience here transferred to Flodesk, you can now go ahead and create new emails using Flodesk. All right, and that's basically how to switch from Mailchimp to Flodesk. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.